Hello, my name is Archita Jagannath Setti. Today I am going to say few words on relationship between English and other languages. Relationship between English and other languages. English is the most spoken language in the world. Approximately 1,132 crore speakers are there in the world. English is mostly spoken in European countries, West Asian countries, and many countries such as India, Malaysia, Philippines speaks English. Almost 40% Indians can speak English, which is the highest in whole Asia. English is spoken internationally due to the many reasons such as for business, etc. English is the one of the most stressed language. The reason why English is most spoken in India is due to the long rule of British in India. The influence of British people over 190 years in India lead to the one of the most formal and sophisticated language in India. English is known as Indo-European language, which means the language which is most spoken in Europe, an area of European settlement, and in much of the Southwest and South Asia. English is West Germanic language that originated from Indo-Germanic languages brought to the Britain in the mid of 5th to 7th century AD by Anglo-Saxon migrants from what is now Northwest German, Southern Denmark and Netherlands. The characteristics of English language is the flexibility and openness of the vocabulary according to the Britannica. Many other languages in the world have influenced that the language English due to the British Empire. The English language is influenced from many languages such as Sanskrit, German, French, Latin, Greek, etc. English words have been slowly simplified from in the Sanskrit, Greek, Latin, Russian and German. Two words invariable form in Chinese and Vietnamese. For example, the German and Chinese words form the noun man and mens are the examples. They are in German have 5 forms of man. For example, man, manners, men, manner, mannern. Chinese have only one form, ren. English stand between them with 4 forms, man, mens, men, mens. English with German language. In 5th century, many German natives migrate to Britain and as they settle their language have influenced English the most. The words like kindergarten, doppelganger, fest, etc. English with Frisian language. The language Frisian is said to be similar to English, approximately 80%. This language also belongs to the German. Frisian is said to be the secret brother of English. The words like bag, boat, leg, sky, etc. English with Sanskrit language. Sanskrit is also known as the mother of European language. All major European languages originated from Sanskrit. Sanskrit is at the center and all languages including Irani and many more. Words like go means cow, nas means nose, nam means name, dant means dental, dwar means door, etc. The family of English language. English is the one of the most authentic language which can be learned easily if we tried. And English is one of the official language of India. Thank you so much.